Handy Hudsonite here. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to unsubscribe from a lot of campaigns that come into your Gmail inbox. All you have to do is open your Gmail, go into the search box and type unsubscribe. And once you type that in, click this search option box and come down to create a filter. Check to apply the filter, and you want to create a new label. You can call this anything you want. I will call mine subscriptions. That creates a filter. And then you also want to check this box at the bottom that says also apply filter to matching conversations. Create the filter, and then when you go into your subscriptions label, you can come in here and go through all of these different campaigns, and when you open them up, there's no mass way of unsubscribing from these, unfortunately. When you click into each message, there'll be an unsubscribe link here next to the email address, and you can actually click to unsubscribe from each of these without having to go through the email to find the unsubscribe link in them, because a lot of times they place them in very hard to see places near the bottom of the email. And so you can go through the ones that you want to get rid of and no longer receive. And if you find some campaigns that you want to continue to receive, you can always move these back to your inbox and continue to receive them. But this is just a great way to filter them, get them in one place so that you can go through and decide really which campaigns are important to you. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this tip and other tips you have regarding Gmail. Be sure to like this video and share it out, and consider subscribing to my channel for more tips like this one.